interesting in terms of a long-term review. For one, let me just explain my position on the Acer. I've had the Acer for quite a long time, actually. So I've owned the Acer Aspire 5. This is the 15.6-inch Full HD IPS laptop that's going to be coming with 4 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM as well as 128 NVMe SSD. That's the same exact laptop I have. Now, I've upgraded mine, adding an additional Ripjaw 16 gigabytes of RAM, as well as installing a 1 terabyte SSD that I got for, pretty inexpensive on Amazon. The reason why I want to highlight this is because continuously, even though it is, it's been a few months since I got mine, the Ryzen 3 3350 is a powerful laptop for a Windows 11, Windows 10 machine. So depending if you're going to run it on Windows 10 or you're going to get it on the Windows 11, they're extremely affordable. How affordable are they? Well, let's put it into perspective. At the price you're paying for this, normally these are coming with much slower processors. Now, you're getting the AMD Ryzen U 3350U mobile processor in here, and that's actually a very powerful chip. It's powerful enough that I have live streamed in 1080p directly to it. I've also hosted a number of video calls and video chats, and it's easy to use. You have a 10 key list. You don't have a 10 key list keyboard here. You actually get the 10 keys. You get the power control. You get all of your, you get a really easy to use keyboard layout here that has clicky keys, so you're not going to have to worry about, is it going to be uncomfortable to type on. But because of the screen, and the screen is 15.6 inches large, you're going to have enough real estate to basically see everything you need to see and everything you're going to be displaying on your system. It's easy to use. It is easy to set up. It does everything you want it to do. And maybe it won't be able to play your favorite, Fortnite or some of your more mobile or memory intensive, graphics intensive games. But if you're looking for something for school and you're looking for a device that can accurately and easily handle your workflow, especially for school or for productivity, I could not recommend this more. I really couldn't, because it comes down to just build quality, screen, it's well constructed, and it's upgradable. How upgradable is this computer right here, this laptop? Well, they give you the shell, so they give you the casing to upgrade your memory right inside the box, right? They give you the hard drive enclosure right inside the box, because they assume you're going to want to upgrade it because that 128 is built in. Now, you won't be able to upgrade that 4 gigabytes of RAM stick easily, right? It's soldered on. But you could always add on top of it a 16 gigabyte RAM stick that I did. So my current setup is with a 20 gigabytes of RAM, and I have over 1 terabytes here running on that AMD 3350. And this, we've tested it, really does compete, or it competes very, very close to any of the laptops that you're at 500 and above, which is going to be less expensive than what I spent purchasing this. The screen quality is the same screen you would get on the more expensive AMD 515 Aspire 5. So the screen here is the same screen you would get on a $1,000 Acer Aspire 5. So the screen is not getting upgraded if you spend more money. It just comes down to the components. So overall value versus price in terms of usability and portability, I really recommend the Acer Aspire 5, especially at this price. It just makes a lot of dollars and cents, especially in today's age. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time. This is David with the French Glow signing off. Bye, bye, bye.